The key hearing that was underway in the apex court, the Supreme Court in fact has expressed the disappointment over the Commission for Air Quality Management's failure to implement its own directions regarding the air pollution. Supreme Court has stated that from an affidavit of the compliance, they have found, and I quote, that no effort is being made by the CAQM for the implementation of its own directions. Not a single prosecution has been initiated, and I unquote. Supreme Court has in fact directed the Punjab and Haryana governments for compliance of the CAQM directions and to file an affidavit within a week's time. The apex court in fact had posted the case for hearing on now October 16th. All right, viewers, now joining me on the same is my colleague Sambhav at this point of time, where Sambhav, I understand that this has been a setback for the CAQM, but also for the Punjab and Haryana governments to actually come back with a response to the guidelines that have been issued by the CAQM and its implementation as far as the pollution matter, which is going to be in fact one of the most crucial topics in the months to come as the winter approaches in the national capital, and the smoke and the pollution level in fact keep on rising, and the tug of war between the national capital and the neighboring states like Punjab and Haryana continues. Share more details as to what exactly the Supreme Court's observation and directions referred to.
Well, as you rightly pointed out, the matter was in the court of Justice A.S. Oka, wherein he questioned not just CAQM but the efforts of the state governments at large to curb pollution menace, and also the kind of stubble burning happening in the states of Punjab and Haryana, and especially the CAQM chief Rajesh Verma. The court has grilled, questioning how many, the direct questions posed to CAQM were like how many experts how many experts are taken into consideration, what expert opinions were taken in this matter or not, and also why there are so many less meetings happened in this case. Why the number of meetings are so less? There should be more meetings, more cooperation between the states and the center. Here, ASD Aishwarya Bhati was there for the center, appearing for the center. She also pointed out the efforts taken by the center. However, the top court was not satisfied with the kind of answers given, wherein top court also questioned the lower amount of steps, pollution steps collected by the states, and directed that the kind of efforts which are being taken are not sufficient to curb the pollution menace, especially in the national capitals in the coming days. Also, why not the penal actions have been taken? Is that kind of some kind of quid pro quo between the state and the stakeholders? These were some of the questions the top court pointed out, put towards the counsels for different parties. However, the Supreme Court has put the matter for next date of hearing on October 16th.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.